Take a look at this stunning truck. Oh my God, this doesn't come along very often. This is a 2005 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. It has a custom exhaust 2.5 inches with electric cutouts. These are 20-inch chrome Boss wheels, and they are perfect. I mean, no pitting, no scratches, no curbing, nothing. Beautiful. You look at this mirror finish on this truck. Older gentleman's truck, he's always taking care of it. It is always garaged. That's a big one. It's never been left outside. It is at that level. Now, you are not going to believe this. It has 150,000 miles on the truck. Take a look at this. I see trucks with only 20,000 miles that aren't nearly this nice. All the bumpers are perfect. They've never had a scuff mark, ever. I popped the hood. You'll see it in the video. Absolutely looks like a brand new truck. Interior, I can't find one flaw in the interior anywhere. The dash, the doors, the seats, it looks new. You talk about somebody that's loved their truck and has treated it and maintained it. This is it. No rust at all. There's no bubbling. There's no scratches. Nothing of that kind is on this truck. Your pans underneath are perfect. It has all brand new bushings in the front. It is tight. There's nothing left to do. It has custom air ride in the back. You can adjust for load. It has an accordion metal cover for the bed. This is I really like this. I like it a lot. It folds up like an accordion. Therefore, you only have to open it as far as you want it to, okay? When it's in the lock, there is no way to get in the bed. It is metal. I really like this. Now, you look at this paint, it shines like a mirror. It really does. It's at that level. I know you're going to have a lot of questions. Feel free to call me, text me. I'll be glad to answer them for you. So let's get to the video, but I got to do a little business first. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Our website is pantherroadclassics.com. Now, when you're looking at this video, look really close. You will not believe how maintained this truck has been. You're wanting a good truck. It's not a lot of money. You should take this. It is at that level. All right, I've said enough. Let's get to the video. I told you this was a beautiful truck. It really, really is. What are the chances of you finding a 2005 Silverado that is this nice? I mean, honestly, an older gentleman, he garages it every night. He constantly details this. This is his baby. Now, remember, this has never been abused. You want to cruise the boulevard, it has the right look. It is perfect. Short bed, short cab, 2 doors, 20-inch wheels, lowered air ride in the back, dual exhaust, 2.5-inch, electric cutouts, custom stereo. There's nothing for you to do. The truck is at that level. Put in the key and drive it. You're not going to find another one this nice. So, just tell yourself you're going to come down, you're going to talk to me, and you're going to take it home. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Go to the website. There will be over 60 photos of the truck. Full detail of everything. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you at our next video.